Hey Windows experts, today I'm going to talk about not software, not hardware, but the DYU e-bike. So yeah, today I'm going to introduce you the DYU e-bike, which is from DYU obviously. This bike is just like very easy to use when you have like short distance to go grocery shopping, to also going to work or something. It's just like a contributor for exercising more during the day. So about DYU, DYU is a company that sells e-bikes but also accessories that belongs to the e-bike. You have like a variety of bicycles, you have like foldable bikes, but you also have like fat bikes, which is a trend right now, so go check that out. And you can also see the properties of the bicycles. So today I'm going to showcase the DYU city bike, which I use now, and it is like a very good investment. At first the delivery was very fast, so the delivery was only like 1 or 2 days, and I think that's a good thing because every time when I order something like big, then the delivery is not that fast. So the city bike, I've ordered it in black, and it is like a nice bicycle to go to just like short distance, but you cannot use it in the public transport because you cannot fold it or anything. But I'm okay with that because I only need it for my home and to go to short distances. But you also have like an option to travel with the bicycle in public transport, or the fat bike, which is more profitable, I think, in more rural areas. That's just what your, which country you live. In this video, I also wanted to give you the message we move more, because I think we just move less during the day when we sit all day long on the desk. And this investment is just like one of the best things that can contribute your movement during the day. Yeah, I think that's very important. If you have the bicycle, you can go to grocery shopping with the bicycle instead of a car, and then you have just like a little bit of exercise during the day. And I think that's a very important thing. I know in some countries it's not like easy infrastructure to go with bike, but it's still like a good investment, and you can also see other options what is just profitable for you. You have a 1 year warranty, so if you have like technical issues with the e-bike, then you can always return it back to manage the problem. You also have like a 40-day free reviews, so if you're not satisfied about the product, you can just send it back. So the DYU City Bike is a bike that you can just construct very easily. You'll receive it as a box at your home, and you can just construct it all together. So the properties of the bicycle that I'm going to showcase. So it has a speed of 15 miles per hour. The high speed motor has like 350 watts, so that's very nice. The battery is removable, and that's just like very easy if you want to charge the battery. But you also have like a damping, which make the bike ride very comfortable. Gliding on the bicycle, the brakes are very nice. You have like a smooth stop, and you can adjust the seating. If you want it somewhat higher, you can just easily do that. And you also have like the speed sensor. I must say that's upon 50 miles per hour. So it's not going harder. You're just like safe on the speed of the bicycle. My opinion of the bicycles is like very positive. It is like very cheap, because if I'm just looking to other models of e-bikes, it's going to be expensive, going to be more like 2,000 euros, and this is like very expensive investment that you do. With this bicycle DYU, this is like very cheap models, and this is like very profitable for you. And I think this is like a good investment for yourself, because it makes you exercise more. So economy wise, this is like a good investment either way, because the gas prices are increasing all the time. And this e-bike, you only need some electricity, and you can just charge it during the night, and you don't have just to pay the expensive gas bill. I reckon that with some bicycle that I drove, that the bicycle brakes were not comfortable, and you just like stop immediately. But this bicycle just have like a damping with the brake, so you just have a smooth stop, and this is like very nice to have. It also is not too fast, so it just like still in the policy of not wearing a helmet or anything. The quality of the product is very good. It's just like the quality, it's just like it's brand new and it's just like for this price, so it's like very nice investment. I must say, constructing the bicycle was not very easy because I was a little bit missing the organization of the construction guide, and I was just like very struggling with that. I must say that's just like a hard thing. But you have like a construction guide which you box. You just have to figure out how you just construct the bike. That's just like one thing that I wish I knew better. When you use the promo code DYU20, you can even get 20% off of the bicycle. So that makes it even cheaper. Then I say, have a good bicycle trip. I'm very satisfied about this product.